Hi, Green Room. I have a message for you. Hello, Green Room. Hello, Green Room. Today you can, number one, make a story about your pets. Ooh, that was a long one. I almost ran out of room right here. You could make a story about your pets at home. Some of you might have animals, like I have Doc, and I know some of you have cats or dogs or fish or other animals at your house. Some of you might have animals that look like this. You can write a story about them. Now, if you think about books and stories that we have in Green Room, what happens in them? What do the stories tell you? You can write about what your animal does every day, or you could pretend that your animal's going on a big adventure. Here's the book that I wrote. My Cat Doc. Then here I have a picture of him and something very important that every book cover needs. The author's name. So I wrote by Miss Emily. And this leads into our second choice for the day. Number 2, practice your name. During the school year, when we were still in Green Room, we would write our name every single day. And that's something that you can do at home too. You can practice your name by writing it on the cover of your book like I did. And I have a challenge for you. All of you have gotten really good at writing your first names, but I'm wondering if you've tried writing your last name. So you can try writing your last name along with your first name. I think you can do it. And let's see, you can't really see choice number 3 right now. Doc wanted to be in the video really badly today. So I will show you. Actually, this kind of works out because our last choice is make art with shapes. And I have to kind of flip my board around to show you how to do that. So that works out really well. Thank you, Doc. So I have all of these different shapes here. Let's go through them to make sure we know what they are. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, and they're all about the same size. So that means this is a square. This has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides too. But how is it different from this one? How is it different? It looks like these sides are longer than these sides. So that means it's a rectangle. And then here we have, there are no edges like this, like these two shapes. So this is a circle. Let's see, this one has 1, 2, 3 sides. So that means it's a triangle. And then this one is kind of like a circle, but it's longer. Looks like it got kind of stretched out. That means it's an oval. So, and there are a lot of different shapes that you can use to make art, but these are the ones that I picked. So how could you make art with these? What do you think would happen if I took this shape? You can't really see that. Let me move it. There we go. If I took this shape and mixed it with this shape and I put this shape right on top, what does that look like to you? To me, that kind of looks like a house. So then I could go in and I could color in the house. I could color in the roof, which is the triangle. Or I could cover in the base of the house, which is the square. What else could I make? What if I took my triangle, and I put a circle on top? What does that look like? To me, it kind of looks like an ice cream cone. And I could color that in with whatever flavor ice cream I wanted. My favorite's Blue Moon, so I'd paint it, or I would color it in blue. Or I could add my oval and my circle and make 2 scoops of ice cream. So there are a lot of different ways that you can use different shapes. If you had a few more circles, maybe you could put another circle here and make it into a car. Or you could try to make a person out of different shapes. There are a lot of different things that you can do with shapes, and I'm excited to see what you do. Bye, Green Room.